Welcome to the Codery Stuff. Today we are going to discuss binary search. So here you can see this is the binary search function that taking an array as an argument along with the element that we want to search in this array. So the first and most important thing that the array should be sorted. Okay, then only the binary search will work. Now I'm just giving you the brief overview of this block of code, like how it's working. So here first we initialize two pointer, low and high. Low is just pointing to the 0th position and high is just pointing to the last element of this array. Now we iterating over this array using this logic. So we iterate till low is less than equal to high. So that's our, we can say, the boundary condition. Okay, so now in every iterations we first calculate the middle element, and this is the way how we calculate the middle element. And this logic that we are using to calculate the middle element is the best way, as it is safer to prevent underflow and overflow. Okay, once we calculate the mid position, then we have three conditions to check. So the first condition is that the element at the mid position, or we can say the mid index of the array, may be equal to the element that we want to search. Okay, so that's the first condition. If such things happen, then we just return the mid. It means that we found the element and we just return that position. Now the second condition may be that the element at the mid may be less than the element that we want to search. So in such cases, what will happen? The element that we want to search is greater till the mid, like from starting index till the mid, all the elements will be less than the element that we want to search. Okay, so we have to discard this case. So we just move our pointer to the mid plus 1, and the second case will be like the element at the mid may be greater than the element that we want to search. So in such case, from the mid to the last, all the elements will be greater than the element that we want to search. So we have to move the high pointer to the mid minus 1. And at last, if we don't found our element in this array, then we just return -1. Okay, now let's visualize this binary search by using some graphical representation. So here you can see this is an array of houses, and each house is having a number. Okay, and also if you notice, you can see here that all these numbers are in ascending order. Okay, and like shorted ascending order. Okay, and the number at the top is just representing the position, or we can say the index of these houses. Okay, now these three guys want to search this house number 23. Okay, so let's see how will they search using this binary search. So like the first person, we can assume that it is a low, and the second person it is at high. So low will just move to the first uh, first index, or we can say the first house, and high will move to the last house. Okay, now we calculate the mid. So mid will be low plus high by 2. So low is at 0, high is at 5, mid will be 0 plus 5 by 2. It will be 2, because we just considering the floor value. Now we got the mid position, and this one is our middle house. So here uh, middle mid element will come. Okay, now mid element, like all this person, what they want to search, they want to search 23. So they compare 23 with the element that exists on the mid, or we can say at this position. So we found that 23 is greater than 18. It means all the element from here to here will be less than the element that we want to search, so we just discard this. Okay, so it will look like this. Now we have to update the positions of our pointers, so low will move here. Okay, now again we have to calculate the mid. So mid will be low plus high by 2, so low is 3 and high is 5, so it will be 8 by 2, that is 4. So mid will move here. Now it again compare 23 with 30 and found that 23 is less than 30, so it means that from the middle till the last all the elements are greater than the element that we want to search, so we have to discard this. So it will look like this. Now again we have to update the positions of our pointers. So now high will move to the mid minus 1. Now again we have to calculate the middle element. So middle element will be it is 3 plus 3, that is 6 by 2, here 3. So all the pointer will come at the same index, and again middle element will compare the elements, and it found the element it want to search is present at this index. So that's our answer, and we got the house that we want to search. Okay, so that's the all logic will work here for binary search. Now before closing this video, some important point that I want to discuss. So the first point is the input array must be sorted. Okay, so binary search will not work if the array is unsorted. Second thing is that, like uh, in my previous slides, I use let me show you. I use this low plus high by 2 to calculate the mid, but it sometimes, if our array's length is very large, or we can say search space is very large, then it may cause an overflow or underflow conditions. So to avoid such cases, we can use this one, mid is equal to low plus high minus low by 2. So this logic will help us to prevent the overflow and underflow conditions. Now third is the time complexity of binary search is order of log n base 2, and its space complexity is order of 2. Yeah, so that's all from my side. Thank you.